Hello friends, welcome back. Now our website is deployed. Let's go to deploy settings and we need to scroll down, and here we need to click on add build hook, and we need to give a name of this hook. So we will give it as Shopify, and this will be master, and let's click on save. Now we need to use this URL. So let's copy this URL, and now let's go to our Shopify admin. So here we need to go to settings. Okay, let's go to settings, and then we need to select notifications. So we need to search for create webhook. So scroll down. Okay, let's search create webhook. Okay, here it is, create webhook. So let's click on it, and here the first one we need to select is product creation. So let's search for product creation. So I'll just search for product creation, and then here we need to paste the URL. Okay, and let's save the webhook. Okay, and again we need to create one more. Actually we need to create two more. So this one is product update. So product, whenever there is a update in the product, we need that. So product update, and one last for product deletion. Okay, so product deletion, and here we need to paste the URL, the same URL. Let's save this. Okay, all the hooks have been created. Now let me close this. Now let's go to the product and let's test it out. So let's click on this me sticker and change some description. So this is awesome me sticker. Okay, so me sticker, and let me save this. Now let's go to Netlify. Let's go to deploy, and as you can see, uh, this hook has been triggered and it is starting up. So now once it is deployed, you can see the changes on the live website. So let it get deployed. So now the website is still getting deployed. Okay, now the site is live. Let's click on preview. So as you can see, this is awesome me sticker. So we have successfully created the webhooks for the changes. So this is it for this video, and this is it for this course. I hope you like both the projects, and I'll see you in some other videos and some other projects. Till then, take care and bye bye.